Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel to learn this dance called Esther, choreographed by Chris Jacques. I wanted to introduce you to this sweet puppy. As most of you know, Scully passed away in January, and it's been a rough go, but we decided to bring in a new little puppy, and his name is Nash, like that name. He is now 11 weeks old. He's a little golden retriever. And who knows if he'll be joining us for many videos, but I'll definitely be introducing him for the next few. So we're going to get started on this tutorial, and I'm going to give this little love bug away to my husband before we get started. Here we go. Thank you. So we're going to get started on this. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take the time to do so. Just hit that button. And I hope you like the video. Mark it with a like, make some comments, share it. That is always appreciated. All right, I'm going to turn around to do Esther. 32 count, intermediate line dance. Starts with the rock forward on that right foot. 1, rock back and sweep. 2, into a sailor step. 3 and 4, taking that right foot slightly forward on 4. Stepping to the left, step, touch, right, touch, side, rock, cross. Counts on that are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Hi. From here, I want to show you that when you do, sorry about that. So when you do this touch step here, you can stylize it. You can do it with a little bit more push. You can even just slide it this way if you want to push through the balls of the feet. As long as you get the timing of this, and then 7 and 8. Okay? So once we're here, here's our 7 and 8. We're going to follow our right shoulder. Take a quarter turn right to 6 o'clock, follow your right back to 12 on your left, and then a shuffle to the side, staying at 3, right, left, right. Now that shuffle is a little bit stylized also. You'll probably want to stay on the ball of the feet, and if you can, you want to rotate that knees a little bit, so it's out and out. And if you stay on the balls, it'll just at least let your knees move a little bit more. Okay? So I'll show you that again. So that goes here, here, step together, step. Now we're going to take our left foot and do a cross rock. Left, right, tap, unwind. Tell you those directions. So if you've just finished 3 and 4, it will be cross 5 and quarter turn 6. Keep going, another quarter turn, step touch, side touch, and then you immediately unwind. And facing here, weighted on your left foot. That kind of 8 goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From the top, 7, 8, we have 1, sweep, 2, sailor, 3, and 4. Side tap, 7, and 8. Turn right, 1, 2, take it, 3, and 4, cross rock, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So you're going to push that last part, okay? Next count of 8. Right foot, knee pop. You're going to pop, pop, kick, out, out. And that goes slightly back. Taking your right shoulder and kind of dipping it down as you lean to the right, lean to the left. Take your right foot, start to turn, and this is just kind of a push. You're going to go push, push, flick. Okay? I'm going to turn my back so you can see what I just did. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. I'll do it with the back to you again, but it'll be done there. 6, 7, 8. We pop. 1, 2, kick 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when you do that, you'll be at 6 o'clock. From the top, 6, 7, 8, pushing 1, 2, sweep, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, turning 1, 2, 3 and 4, we go 5 and 6 and 7, unpop, 1, 2, kick 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Going on from there, we're going to go to our right, that would be Nash. You're on your right foot, take it forward on 1, little pop up with your heels, 2, that turns you a quarter. From here, taking it to the back wall, so you're going to go 1, 2, actually the front wall, sailor step, behind, side, forward, forward, follow your left shoulder, side, and then left, right, left. Welcome to the house of a new puppy. Do that again. So it goes 1, 2, sailor, quarter, turn, forward, side, sailor, back. That is the whole meat of the dance before the tag. Let's go back to the beginning. We're going to do that. Now, here's the thing. It's mostly, this dance mostly starts at 12 because of the way it works with the tag. There is one time after a double tag that we will be starting at the back wall. Okay? So I'm going to just do it at this wall, and then I'll turn and I'll do it at this wall just so that you can see it. And then I'll teach you the tag. All right? So here we go from the top. 6, 7, 8, push 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, turning 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, pop, 1, 2, 3, slightly back, lean it in, and a push and a hit, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, notice too, that's really, I'm not even sure if I emphasize that, on this push you end with a flick, so that then you step forward. Okay? All right, let me start it here. Ready? And go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go to your right. 2, 3 and 4, cross, pop, keep turning, and 7, here's your pop. 1, 2, kick 3, shoulder down, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, pop, 2, sailor step, front, side, sorry, left, right, left. I almost went into that middle section. Okay, so that is the meat of the dance. Let me show you how we do the tag, which is done quite often. It starts out with and 1 to the side, taking your feet up and down. So we have right, left, up, down. Take your left knee, turning it outward. Out as you press, recover, out. From here, you're going to push off to your right, dragging this foot in, stepping with a hitch, and go rock, walk. That's the first 8. Let me show it to you with your counts. You have and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to move back a little bit. Continuing for the second count of 8 of the tag. 1, put it down, twist, 2, untwist and lift here with a hitch, 3, back, 4 and 5, that's a body roll, 6 and 7, and turn all the way around. Now let me go ahead and do that with you where I have more room on that. That last count, after you've done a little walk forward, this goes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay? Let's see how that works. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now the first time you're going to be doing that, and most of the time it's actually at this wall, so it looks like this, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. And then you push into that. All right, so that's the meat of the dance and the tag. The pattern of the tag, I will make sure that I put in the description. Actually, I should say the dance map, because it goes all the way from, it goes 32 tag, 32 tag, 32 tag, tag, 32, 16, 32. So all the way towards the end, there is a restart. So you will be doing 2 counts of 8 and restarting the dance. So it's a lot to remember. Telling it to you like this goes whoop. So we'll just work it. I'll call it. It'll be with the step sheet, which I always put at the bottom. And again, please make sure if you have any questions or comments to let me know. And we're going to go ahead and do this with music. Remember, you can always slow this down if you need to. Hit the wheel button, you'll get a playback speed. Hit that, and you can adjust it accordingly to make it easier to learn. Because it's kind of fast. Here we go. 5, 6, and 8, go 1. So, go over the tag, which of course I should, well, not the tag, but where the restart is, you have to change the choreo a little bit. And that's it's the second time that you start the dance back here. I believe it's actually like the 6th time you do the dance, not the tag. And so you dance 2 counts of 8, but you actually do 12 counts. So what I'm doing is after I do this part, da-da-da, here, when I do the second 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Instead of the step toe, you can either do a turn here, or you can walk it. But I just took the 2 walks because it makes it easier to learn it that way. And so then you restart it at this wall again, and then your last wall will be at 12 o'clock. Okay? So if you were looking at the tutorial and you didn't see that, I hope you stayed for this part on the video so that you get it all. Okay, so anyway, thank you. I think there was a little mistake here or there. You know, at this point, I feel that I leave the bloopers in unless they're horrific, and you know I'm human. And the biggest thing is that when you make a goof, if you can pick up where you are, that still shows that you know the dance, right? You know it, you just made a mistake. It's not that you don't know it. So give yourself grace on that. And again, thank you so much for coming to the channel. You know I always appreciate it, meeting my new puppy. If you're not a subscriber, please do so. And when you're out here in the LA area, I would love it if you look me up and see where I'm teaching that week and where we are. Come and dance with me. And I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks, everybody.